In this video, I'm going to teach you how to index customization for objects in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to right here to your global home on HubSpot and then scroll down until you reach the actual settings for this. You can also click onto this gear icon to open your settings. Now, once it's loaded, you can proceed to go to the object. So let's scroll down right here until you find the objects expanded right there. Once it's expanded, just open the index view of the actual object that you want. So for example, let's choose right here our contacts. Once you have selected the actual object that you want, open the index view that it has available right there. Click onto this index customization under the more page. And from in there, it will show you the CRM for this. Here we have the default view as well as the all views. You can head over and change this and edit the columns for this. Click on this all views and edit it out according to your liking. You can proceed to click on any one of them and then change the view that it has associated with it. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.